Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you again how to improve your speaking skill using a short article. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence when I tell you about a short article. Okay, please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. There are 50 states in the United States. Alaska is the largest state. Rhode Island is the smallest state. Washington, D.C. is the capital of the United States. The city with the largest population in the United States is New York City. Okay, do you still remember the story? Do you still remember the article? Please listen again and repeat after me sentence by sentence, and you should try to memorize and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some question about it. Okay, please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. There are 50 states in the United States. Alaska is the largest state. Rhode Island is the smallest state. Washington, D.C. is the capital of the United States. The city with the largest population in the United States is New York City. Okay? Do you still remember the article? Now please answer my questions. Question number 1. How many states are there in the United States? Question number 2. What is the largest state in the United States? Question number 3. What is the smallest state? The next question. What is the capital of the United States? What city with the largest population in the United States? What is the capital of England? What is the capital of France? What is the capital of Germany? What is the biggest country in the world? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.